Hi, I'm Tasha, and in today's video, we are going to discuss common payroll compliance issues and how you can avoid them. The first thing that we're going to talk about is payroll tax deposits, and the first thing you need to make sure to do is that they are submitted timely. The rule of thumb is to make sure the taxes are remitted the same date as the paycheck date. This is because the IRS does require, if you meet a certain threshold, that you do need to remit the next day, so it's best practice to go ahead and just follow the paycheck date. Number 2 is to make sure there are enough funds in the account. This is to avoid any overdraft issues. That way you can avoid getting a letter from the IRS of a bad check penalty. Number 3 is that ultimately it is the employer's responsibility to make sure that payroll tax deposits are submitted. Even if you have a payroll company remitting on your behalf, you still need to make sure as an employer that they are remitted. The second thing that we're going to discuss is filing payroll reports. The number one thing in this section is to make sure that these reports are filed on a timely basis, so you can refer to our previous video on what reports need to be filed throughout the year. The second thing is, if you switch payroll companies in the same year, you need to make sure you avoid duplicating payroll reports. This happens when you don't tell your first payroll company that you want them to stop filing payroll reports, and then your second payroll company is also going to file since you switched to them. So you do need to make sure all payroll data is transferred over to your second payroll company. That way they can make sure the correct payroll report is filed at year end. The third thing is to make sure that you have the correct name and SSN for your employee. So to prevent reporting the wrong name or SSN, you must make your employees fill out a W-4 form as well as an I-9. Now the I-9 will ask the employee to provide identification. That way you can verify that the correct name and SSN is given. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe and hit that notification bell. That way you get notified of when we post new videos. Thanks again for watching and see you in the next one.